delivery from Louisiana. We're at Sabine River Ford. We just purchased this beautiful Dak Prescott truck. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited I can't even hardly talk, as you can tell. There's a couple of things I'm going to show you about this truck that's very unique. On the outside, it's a Dallas Cowboy edition. On the inside, it says Cowboy on the running board. All Cowboy edition interior. Signed autograph, Dak Prescott, by Dak Prescott himself. Jerry Jones as well, the owner of the Dallas Cowboys, 5-time world champions. The back seat is all Dallas Cowboy.
Ooh, and look, and we even got Dak's autographed photo